Hello friends, today we're discussing a new feature from Runway, Act 1, which promises to simplify animation creation. But are we standing on the brink of a dangerous future? This technology turns your expressions and gestures into animation. But what does this lead to? Mass immersion in virtual reality could be dangerous. We risk losing touch with reality, creating ideal but illusory worlds. Think about it. Soon, these technologies will be integrated into VR/AR devices. We'll be crafting avatars to live in our place. What price will we pay for this? The Matrix might be closer than we think, and that's frightening. The company claims data safety, but can we really trust it? Are we ready to surrender control over our perception of reality? Yes, Act 1 makes animation accessible to everyone, but the consequences must be considered. We need to approach such technologies responsibly. Think about it and don't forget about the present. Subscribe, share your thoughts, and stay cautious. Take care and bye.